Imagine the act of walking into a room transforms from a routine venture into the onset of a daunting challenge for millions worldwide. This is the reality of social phobias, or social anxiety disorder, which captivates individuals with a paralyzing fear in social settings. It's not simply about being shy, it's an intense fear of judgment, embarrassment, or scrutiny by others. Symptoms may include rapid heartbeat, excessive sweating, and avoiding eye contact. Distinct from general anxiety, social phobia specifically targets social interaction fears, including the dread of negative evaluation. As we unravel social phobia, we delve into not just definitions and symptoms, but the human stories behind the diagnosis, highlighting the fears and silent struggles, inviting you to see through the eyes of those enduring these challenges daily. Delving deeper, we explore personal stories that bring life to the term social phobia. Picture the anxiety of walking into a crowd, feeling the heavy gaze of judgment. It's a daunting reality for some, marked by daily hurdles and moments of triumph. Social phobia seeps into the essence of existence, dictating aspects as minor as taking a longer route to avoid interaction. Yet hope persists through resilience. Diverse coping mechanisms, from expressive arts to therapy, pave the way for personal victories. These stories not only highlight individual resilience, but also underscore that overcoming social phobias isn't a solitary journey. It's paved with understanding, support, and shared experiences. Join us as we navigate through these narratives, reminding us of the power of human resilience against the backdrop of fear. In our final chapter, we tackle the path to managing and overcoming social phobias, affirming that it's possible with diverse strategies. Techniques like cognitive behavioral therapy have shown efficacy, alongside self-help strategies such as gradual exposure and mindfulness in reducing anxiety. Crucially, the journey incorporates more than self-effort and professional guidance. The support of family, friends, and groups provides necessary emotional sustenance. We conclude our exploration with a beacon of hope. With appropriate support and strategies, an anxiety-free life is within reach. Remember, seeking help is a testament to strength, laying the groundwork for empowerment and well-being. Together, we walk the path towards overcoming social phobias.